We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.
Welcome back to another video. The sun's a bit bright and today I'm doing something very, very special. I'm with another YouTuber, which is
Hi folks,
Bare Roots Bushcraft, and the description will be in the link below, and I promise you that. The amount of times I said it, I will do it. But yeah, today we're doing a bit of water on the river, something totally different for me, for my channel, because I've never done anything like this on the channel, apart from the camping, which I did with Gary before he did his channel. So yeah, we'll see how this goes, won't we?
yeah, it'll be good. It'll be cracking time. But I've had to tape it up with duct tape because it's like when you're walking.
Does it wobble?
It's wobble.
Aye.
I mean, it's visual. You can see it on the video.
Yeah. Well, the one I've got in the car, because I'm trying to get you in. I've got a holder in the car for my phone, and I see it every time you go over a slightest little bump, it just wobbles like
that's
that.
It drives you
Mad.
doesn't it? Yeah.
But I see you've only started your channel since July. June, July.
Yeah, beginning of July.
You're taking off better than mine.
Yeah, it's doing
You've
alright.
got to look at it that way,
Good,
considering,
yeah.
like you say, it took me 5 years to get to 200, and it's took you 4 months to get to 126 now.
Yeah,
So
126.
you do the math in the long run.
It's the subs. have
5
slowed
years
up a
time,
little
you'll have
bit
about
now,
3,000
yeah.
subs.
All being well.
It'd be brilliant
All
that.
being well. Yeah, well, I'm going to start doing a few tutorials and stuff like that on my videos.
Yeah.
Take it in a little bit of a different direction. Just like I said, it's called Bare Roots Bushcraft, but Bushcraft for me is just like an umbrella word. It
Covers everything, to be fair.
yeah, from outdoor walking to carving,
Yeah.
wilderness living skills, foraging, just a lot of different things.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, well.
and it's, I don't know, I enjoy getting out and it's good fun doing the videos.
Ah,
It's a bit of a
it's
diary
a hobby.
as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Search, but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars. But we're making
Oh, God, I man.
and I wonder where you
But yet again, like I say, I'm gutted that it's come down to the last Sunday of the season for us to be doing this.
I know, it's a shame we didn't have the chance to do it a little bit earlier.
Aye.
Because that's a damson tree. So we could have utilised nature's wild ladder.
Yeah.
Another month and a bit earlier would have been nothing. But it is what it is, isn't it?
Exactly. Right, I'm going to try and do it like that for a bit and see if that's any better. I don't know what I'm filming like. I could have it on the wrong mode and I'm filming over there.
Yeah. Oh, film. Sorry, mate.
Right, you prodded us there, Gary.
That's the new pan.
Aye, I seen, aye. I like your poppy.
You popping?
Yeah.
Popping.
Got these on, I'm fine. Oh, that's a bit boggy that actually. Aye. Should we go on my arse?
I usually do.
Oh dear me.
Sit down here.
See, that's why I wish I went back into a bit more into my wildlife.
Yeah. Oh, the roses, yeah.
Aye, the red ones.
Yeah. Look good and fresh, them, so. From here. Can't believe how bare the trees are here. Back home, they're like.
Aye, there's still stuff on them.
slow, yeah.
Oh, have you been to Slipwoods recently?
With a path?
I had three done it all, haven't they?
Better, isn't it?
Considering we were supposed to do that this year.
I know. I know. Well, we done it and turned right and went up that way, and we up on the top and stuff like that. That was good.
Right.
That was good. Kill 'em. Flimming big hills like.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm up made for walking hills.
And I knew what to do Nevis next year.
I know.
I was saying to Claire last time, I said, what about his knee?
I think you'll be alright. I'll take a brace.
Mine
just
was
in case.
killing.
Yeah.
Mine was absolutely killing me there. I couldn't, honest, couldn't believe it.
It was good achievement, that, like, mate.
I know, I'm very proud of it. I am. But and this is the good old spot. That is quite a lot. It has. I'm quite pleased I didn't put my coat on. I love that view there.
Down here, we'll get a firewood. What we'll do, we'll scrape away some of the rocks where we're going to have a fire.
I'll do. Scraping away all the rocks wet for the fire.
That should be clear enough.
Yeah.
We'll just have a fire down here. What we'll do...
See, again, who needs Bear Grylls when you got Bushcraft? No, I said that wrong. Hang on, say it again. Who needs Bear Grylls when you got Bear Roots?
Yeah.
That's what I was meant to say.
I thought Bear Grylls everything he knows.
Ah.
I wish.
No, you did. I thought I pressed record.
The method with this, where we've put the sticks down on the ground first, is with the ground being wet, you're lifting the fire up away from the wet ground, and the air will flow through this,
Yeah.
and it'll help get the fire established a lot better. No chance of it going out.
Yeah.
Just a good method. Plus, when all that burns, gives you a good bed of embers for cooking your dinner on, cooking breakfast on in this case.
Yes,
So,
exactly. Can't wait. Because someone had a good drink last night.
So now you can tell. You see the black? Where the leaf buds are.
Yeah.
That tells me it's ash.
Right.
And ash is generally one of the last ones to come in leaf and the first ones to shed them.
Really? Yeah. So roughly when will that come back into leaf? So February time?
No, back into March, April even.
Really? Alright.
Yeah. Up here, anywhere. Up here, anywhere.
It's wild up here.
Keep all the woods throughout the winter. Good wood, good for firewood.
Yeah.
Good spring wood.
Brilliant. Off to gather some firewood. Oh, something's gone down my top. When you slapped that off there, something pinged and went in my top. And this is why I've said it in a few of my videos, I need a third person, someone who's filming me. Because when I'm walking about doing this, it's...
Yeah.
So anyone wants a camera opportunity in the future, it's there.
I've just been getting a tripod as well.
Ah, you were saying you've got one of them?
Yeah, and I bought the small phone one as well, and I just take the phone attachment bit off.
Yeah.
And I put that on the We'll use that. We'll utilise that.
Right.
See the rain? That's just gone right onto the water edge. See where that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
100%, that's what I want to do.
Yeah. fantastic little bird. I love
I
them.
loved me wildlife, I loved me birds.
Yeah.
And I took that much interest in them years ago.
Right.
I've still got all the knowledge there, I've just never paid that much attention to them as I should be
Which
doing.
you should do. Yeah. We were walking by the River Tees the other day and seen a kingfisher, which is the first time
Brilliant.
for ages
I
I've
seen one, it was up here somewhere, I don't know whereabouts. Wasn't on site, wasn't down here, but I was when I've been out for a walk,
Yeah.
and it was only about 2 months ago.
They're amazing, aren't they?
And again, it was just, I caught it out the corner of my eye, and I looked down, you could just see it just flying
Like a
out.
blue dart.
Stand up. It was stand up across the, when I was walking across the board.
Wow. Yeah.
So at this moment in time, that's your fire kit.
That's the fire kit.
Uh-huh.
In here we've got ferro rods.
Yep.
We've got traditional fire steels
Yep.
with flint, which is a bit of charcoal on it. But you need a decent dry tinder bundle
Yep.
for that. We've got jute twine. We've got a lighter just in case.
Yep.
We've got waxed cotton pads.
Yep.
We've got unwaxed cotton pads.
That's just
We'll
to
use that to
take our
catch
makeup
spark.
up.
Yeah, that's in case, in case the mascara runs. We've got this which I think is pretty awesome.
You know what it is?
Little matchbox.
I did that. I made one of them. My granddad's the other day.
Yeah, good
He had a few, and I was like, you know, that'd be brilliant to put little things in like that. Aye.
So we've got a little matchbox, which is pretty good because they keep them dry
Aye.
as well.
Great minds think alike.
Charcoal.
Right.
We've got a bit of fat wood,
Yep.
which you just scrape and try and get a spark on it. More flint. And if it's really wet, resort to putting bits of inner tube on, which just gives you that little bit more, more of a chance. That's pretty much it. A bit of jute twine. Some of the organic matter, natural cordage. Big old ferro rod.
Well, that worked good, aye.
Where we at with it? Fail.
Gary's no fail. I edit it all out. I'll do it. Make it look like you've done it first time.
And I'll show you. We'll use that one.
Yep.
And what we'll see what we're aiming at. And with that, you just simply. There you go. And then you put one of them on. That catches.
Oh my
So you can see how fast that's burning.
Exactly, aye.
Once that catches light, which it has done now, that's got candle wax and petroleum jelly on it, so that wicks, so it burns for a lot longer. But yeah, and that's been burning what, a good 5 minutes or so.
5 minutes at least, yeah.
You see where the wax is, and that's starting to go down on the stick. Like I say, candle wax and petroleum jelly. Is there any caves we can explore?
I know, that's what we need. Out to light a fire, field 101.
Yeah, you're right there, mate.
Straight away.
Straight away, bud. You want them, that's the ones. And that's the waxed cotton pads. Give them a second to take.
First time I've ever done this, so I like
Good attempt, mate. Absolutely brilliant. I'll come a bit further back because it's, you know, shot a bit there.
No, it's too. I don't have like a sensor on.
Just give them a bit so you can see the fully lit.
Yeah.
Start feeding them, mate. Yeah. Perfect.
Is there a reason why we're doing it maybe?
Then the air can get through it a lot easier, and there isn't too much of a surface area for them to catch. starting to take now, isn't it? We'll just give that there another minute or so, let it take. Brilliant, mate. Come over here. I'll cook.
I'm not being the
There you go, mate. Put some more logs, twigs on. Logs.
Logs? Not yet.
Not yet. You get away with putting a bit of a handful on now. There we go. Excellent. Well done on the fire lighting, Jamie.
Thank you very much. That hurt.
A bit warm,
A bit warm. I did exactly the same.
The wind must be blowing this way slightly. More stick on that side. That there, we've just done here, the branch along.
Yeah.
Because it's all rocky, we've got no means of sticking that into the ground, so I just put a heavy rock on the top of it and just put some water in here.
Absolutely brilliant, that.
It's all about utilising what's around you. It's just a perfect way to do it.
Yeah, 100%.
It's like you say, the air's going through, getting through that fire, lifting the flames. We should have it boiled.
Aye, yeah.
We having some
It's a
coffee.
good pot, that, mind.
It's a brilliant pot, isn't it? The zebra billy can. About 15 quid for that, something like that, I think.
I'd like to say at the start of the video I said about doing it with Bare Roots Bushcraft. Please subscribe to them because so far it's brilliant. I'm loving it. And again, we've left it too late. That was the end of the season.
To do it.
Should have done a hell of a lot more. And now, it's a good night.
It's nice.
Oh, look, the stag. Is it a stag?
It's a elk.
Elk.
Yeah.
Lovely, that.
It's nice knife, isn't it?
Really nice.
It's pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah. Right, let's see, link in the description for his channel. Let's get him up to 200 subscribers by the end of the week.
That'd be nice.
That'd be brilliant, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's
Brilliant. Well, Gary, thank you very much.
Cheers, mate.
Is it going to be too hot?
Yeah, it's water.
Fuck yeah. Lovely.
Get the tune in for the video, mate.
Get a bit peckish, like.
Yeah, I'm getting go foraging. I think we should go and see what we can find for breakfast.
See if we can find anything, any wild edibles.
Yeah, something like that.
Right. Which way are you going?
Just have to see something up on that tree. See if I can get it for this stone.
Whereabouts, Gary? I can't see nothing yet. Oh, wait, I see it. Nearly. I think catching it might be a bit quicker. What is it? What is it?
We've got bacon.
It's a wild bacon.
Wild bacon. Foraged bacon.
Forage, that's brilliant.
Streaky bacon.
That's brilliant. I think that there may be something over that way.
Should we go and look?
I think man's been searching 5 days, 5 nights on an empty stomach. Looking for the delicious taste of food. Ow. That was a much easier way of getting across than the way we did the first time.
There's some there.
Well, they might attack you. They may attack. You have to approach from the west. We got it! We got it! Sausages!
And black pudding.
Black pudding! We're saved. We're saved. Does anyone up there watching us? They think, what the? Look at them doing. Oh, brilliant. Saved. Thanks to God. Letting us have these edible foods. And now we venture back to camp on a long, dark, nearly fell over morning. Going through a bog up to my knees. Oh, attacked by trees. But we make it back to camp.
We'll give that a miss.
Aye, I'm alright with that. I'm alright with that. I'm alright with that today. Next time, see how much drink we've had. If it's clear, fine. If it's like apple juice, no. Man goes hunting for rocks, wild, on the seabed. Don't know why I said seabed. We're on the river.
These are high enough out the water because you don't want them out the water.
Yep. Yes, that has happened to me. Hey, where did I do that at? You can just see them freaking like pop. Again, man is on a quest for rocks. He's been searching 12 days and 12 long nights, looking for the perfect rock. Carefully doesn't fall over, and I'm surrounded by trees. I'm stuck. What have I done? Oh. Oops. Right. Let's head down here. Let's find the perfect one. That. It looks like a beauty. Forage sausages. Exactly. We've done a canny bit of foraging today. We've got the black pudding, what we foraged over there. We've got the streaky bacon, which was lying in a tree up there.
We've even managed to forage.
I mean, some bread buns.
Some cooking oil.
Some cooking oil.
We've done really well.
We have. Yeah, not from Co-op. Not from the Co-op. In there, Gary?
We're just making some utensils for doing the bacon and the black pudding.
There's 8 times you can make a knife and fork as well, please.
Yeah, of course, can mate.
Please.
A couple of plates and whatever.
I mean, I've got a rock for a plate.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy with that. Yeah. But if you want to go and start spinning your pottery wheel over in the corner out down there,
yeah,
you can.
What do you do with this?
Yes.
What we've done is taken the bark off.
Yeah.
Because the bark will hold bacteria. Where if we've got that nice and clean out, that'll be safe for turning the food.
That's brilliant.
And we've got hazel, so I know it's
tart the audience. Tart the audience. Let's go and nip at the shop and get some hash browns and tomatoes and mushrooms. I mean, do you want us to go and forage for them? Forage for them, aye.
Some of the magic mushrooms.
Yeah, I don't know where them are. I don't know where them are, Gary. If anyone has watched the camping video I did with Gary before, someone might remember a certain jack potato with chilli in it.
Yeah.
Hopefully this time, hopefully I don't drop
it on the floor.
Because I'll be absolutely gutted if I drop it on the floor. I'm starving. You want to what?
Put some buns on.
Oh, I thought you were going to put some buns on.
No.
On fried bread.
Alright. Just lift that off there a minute. Put them over.
Yep. That's a nice view over there, like. Hey! Got your photo. That is, see, that's the future. Phones with smell-o-vision on.
Yeah.
If you could smell that now, you'd be jealous. It's beautiful. I really want to do it one time where we've got like a big pan of broth and what we'll be cooking.
Nice stew.
Aye.
Or chili.
Don't start. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. fine, don't worry. That'll do for me, mate.
I'll put the one up here.
Ah,
There you go, bud.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes. Oh, there you go, looking for some sauce. Colour do you want?
Brown. Got to be brown sauce.
I was hoping you were going to say red. I was going to say, pass your knife. Beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah.
Our forage sausages.
Our forage sausages, yeah. Now it's time to eat. Enjoy. Breakfast was lovely. Thank you very much, Gary.
You're more than welcome, mate.
It was absolutely perfect. But now, the biggest golden rule about doing all this is to
clean up, leave no trace.
leave no trace behind.
So
That's exactly what we're doing, unless we really hate someone and want to get them done.
Yeah.
And just write the names. And,
Make sure they're out.
yep, which we have done by dipping them in the water, keeping them in for 10 seconds. I sound like such a professional.
I don't know about that, mate.
Try to catch fish. Nope, no, didn't get out. No, that would do. Stuck. Again, like I was saying, subscribe to Bare Roots Bushcraft. It's been an absolute brilliant experience. It's not over yet. We've got to walk back and all that, have a little talk. But as you can see, I mean, I would be helping, but I'm filming, so, you know. Again, like I say, opportunity like this doesn't come along all the time. Having all this on your doorstep, which I've loved this year, I've loved so much. And it's just a pity that it's here, we've left this till the last weekend to actually do something like this. We've been talking about doing a video collaboration since probably about May, June, July, something like that. And obviously we've left it the last weekend, but as we've said, we're going to keep doing this no matter what. I'm off next Sunday, I'm off the weekend after that. Gary's camping next week, but the Sunday after that I'm going to go down and we've got a walk planned already. We're going to do the same again, we'll probably do we'll take like a stew, we'll do something like that. We'll do foraging. There's just so much planned, and like I say, it's a brilliant opportunity. There's not a lot of YouTubers out there what do this kind of stuff, and that's what Gary specialises in. So again, I know it's, you know, a lot of people might be like, I'm not into all that, but just support, just subscribe, watch a few of these videos, and you will be hooked. Because they are brilliant, they're really good quality. He's only been doing it, like I say, since July, and he's got a really, really strong, bright future ahead. For him to have 126 subscribers in 3-4 months, that's brilliant. It took me, like I say, when me and Dan were doing this, like I say, our 5th year this year, we only had 200 subscribers in January. Like I say, that was on the Jamie Dan 22, totally changed it all. It's obviously now Life Extreme Adventures, as you can see, and it's like I say, I've gained 200 odd, and it's on the rise. So yeah, it's all going good, and like I say, I want to thank you massively. See you, give a little wave in the background. You don't have to do it. No, thank you very much for that. It's been brilliant, Gary. And again, shout out, please subscribe them. Yeah, as I say, I've been filming that segment there. Gary has, well, he's done what you've got to do. Left no trace behind.
Got to be done. Golden rule.
Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. What a hell of an experience this has been.
Good, mate. Glad you've enjoyed it. It's been good.
obviously
enjoyable morning.
more to come.
Yeah, definitely. It's been brilliant. I don't look forward to seeing your granddad when we come back.
I know. Does he need to get himself up more? Well, I'm saying he needs to get himself up more. He needs to get himself a car.
I enjoy good napping with
Bushcraft breakfast. Nice. Pretty good. Foraging.
it. Porridge, yeah.
Yeah. Foraging for a bushcraft breakfast. That's what it's been.
Foraging for a sausage. No, that's just, I was totally wrong.
Yeah.
But yeah, foraging for a bushcraft
Yeah.
breakfast.
So, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for coming on a
Thanks
video
for
with
watching.
us.
Yep.
Please again, subscribe to his channel.
Yep.
It'll be in the link.
That'd be much
We'll get over
appreciated.
200 as soon as we can.
That'd be great stuff. That'd be awesome.
So, if you've liked it, press the like button. Also, ding dong the little bell to get your notifications every time I upload a video. Doesn't sound very good when you say it like that. The amount of times I said that in the last videos, I've been laughing. But
Yep.
thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to both of us, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye for now, folks.
Adios.